Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session after rising as much as 2.2% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold drop 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 6.6% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices tumbled more than 3% after Moderna's CEO cast doubt on the efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines against the Omicron coronavirus variant, spooking financial markets. Euro area inflation surged to a record for the era of the single currency and exceeded all forecasts, adding to the European Central Bank's challenge before a crucial meeting next month on the future of monetary stimulus. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's turnabout suggests the U.S. Central Bank might move more quickly to tighten monetary policy, potentially a negative for speculative assets, including Bitcoin.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 030 GMT. The UK's Market Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0930 GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 0800 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.